Hey, James here, back with another exciting tutorial, but this one's a bit different. It's kind of a more complex build. As some of you may know, car chassis can be difficult, so I thought I'd make this video. To do this build, I recommend using pliers and a flathead screwdriver. So right now we're making the steering rack, which is a major part when making a car. Putting the axle through the beam can be quite difficult, so I recommend putting it through before you put it all together. So what we're doing now is adding the equivalent of a steering column. What we're doing now is adding some support beams to the bottom of the steering rack. The part we're making now is just to hold the motor steady. We're just using a 3-stud long axle to attach it to the motor. I just wanted to mention that you should use a 2-stud connector, not a 3-stud connector. Turns out we didn't need these pieces, and the car's finished. If you would like a more in-depth tutorial, comment below.